Well, this is the third time we've had a clinic for the kids, cheer and football. But because of safety being such a big kind of elephant in the room for all the parents, we finally decided, hey, let's actually address the issue, talk about the safety issues, and it's concussions big on everybody's mind.
I think it's game changing. I mean, I think it's really important that we as a youth program are addressing the concerns of safety. And, being the cheer director, you think, what is it about football that concerns me? Everything. Because without football, we wouldn't have a cheer program, and the safety is just as important on the cheer side. So, game changing.
Let's go.
We're mandated by the larger organization, the PCC, to belong to Heads Up Football and to get certified through that. But we don't think that's enough. I think it's a little bit short-sighted. So we've hired Bobby Hosea, who actually created Heads Up Football for the NFL and actually is better in our opinion. We're getting all of our coaches certified for his tackling to make sure that we're tackling safe.
Safety comes first, but it's only a word if you don't know what's dangerous, and that's what I do. I educate coaches to that there are things your father taught you, that your grandfather taught him, that are the problem. And there's no mechanism to force coaches to learn that. There's no coach that wants to hurt a child in any shape, form, or fashion. They'd give their life to protect them from any kind of harm during practice from some outside forces. So no coach wants to hurt their children, but there's no mechanism to force them to learn that there are design flaws in what we teach that can be harmful. I didn't even know it was science. But science is measured steps to come out with a conclusion, or a reliable, consistent conclusion. And that's what my system is. It's beginning, middle, and end of a tackle. And so once they know that and they follow those guidelines and they get the proper conditioning, football's a great game.
And coming soon, my helmet-free tackle safety and performance training course to educate parents, players, and coaches on how to play safe, effective tackle football and reduce the risk of concussions, neck, and spinal cord injuries. To save our game, one player at a time.